Hello all, I am Naveenkumar Nagipogu. In this session, we will look into how to create sheets and how to do detailing and some of the basic documentation work we can do with the help of a 3D model which we already have in the Revit. Right now I am working on it. This is level 0 and this is level 1. Now by making use of this, I will try to demonstrate how to create sheets and how to drag the model elements or views into the sheets and how to create schedules. Now without further ado, let's jump into. So I hope you are familiar with the Revit tool, Revise Instantly, one of the popular BIM software. Revit. Now here you can see in the project browser, this is called project browser. Here you can see project browser. Now let me right click on the sheets and take a new sheet. By default we have a one here. There is title block A1 metric standard. It's Autodesk one. So here you can see this title block is belong to Autodesk. It's a default one. Now actually there are various ways to drag the sheets or to place the views into the sheet. Say for example we have a floor plans level 0 and level 1, right? Now what I will do, I will just duplicate it and same thing I will do it for the level 1 also, and I'm just duplicating it. Now let me go to level 0. Now here what I will do, I will do some annotation work here itself. Otherwise what we can do is, first we can open our sheet A1 or 2 and we can drag this level 0 copy one first. Here you can see, and to get into the view we can activate that view just by right clicking on it and going into 1:50. Let me do it, it's somewhat bigger. 1:10. Oh, it's too much. Then fix for 1:25 or 1:20. Yeah, I think this 1:20 is going to, yeah, to accommodate two floor plans. Let's go for 1:25. Then let me deactivate view and just place like this. And now let's do the same thing for the level 1 also. Just click and drag into the sheet. Now this is 1:25, same thing. Now if you see here, it's a very big one in terms of the crop view. So what we will do here is crop region visible. Now let's crop this. Like this we can control what to see, what not to see in our view. I think this is enough. Now let's deactivate the view and bring that to wherever you are expecting. Just like that. And if you see, this is actually, yeah, fine. And now yes, this is fine. So we no need to show this one. Yeah, now we have two here, just to keep it in the center. Yeah, this is already in the center. Now let's just rename it level 0 floor plan. Done. We can drag it until here. Now it's level 1 floor plan. Okay, just click there and drag this. Now we just learned how to create a new sheet and how to drag the views onto the sheet. Okay, fine. Now let's try to do some annotation on the sheets. Nothing but I will try to show the dimensions of this particular. So here you can see what is the interior. This is just for your understanding. You can do just like that. Same thing we can do here. I will take from exterior to exterior also this side. And yeah, I think that's enough. I am not going to do much detail. My intention is to just to show you how we can create the sheet and place a view at it. Now let's just deactivate the view and come to our level 1 floor plan. Double click, the view will get activated, and just do this. I think this is enough just to show you. Done. And also we can control, see, like this is not an arrow, right? What we can do, we can go to edit type and later tick mark none. So arrow fill at 20 degree we can keep, otherwise let's keep 15. Arrow will fill at 15. Arrow fill at 15 degree. Okay, now you can see we got the arrows. Okay, same thing upload for everything, because we change it in the type, not an instance one. So this is how actually you can set up. Now what I will do, create some section views, and I will place the section views. Otherwise let's keep elevation. So I want to create an elevation view, right? Let's take a section, not necessarily, let's keep elevation itself. So for in our project, this is north, south, east and west. So let's go to view and take elevation. Okay, so let me just place it. So none of the elements created are visible. Let's go to annotation. Let's check for elevations, click on it. Now we can see the elevation which we just kept is this one. So let's drag until here. Yes, and yeah, this depth is up to this much. Let's restrict it to this much. If we just click on there, we can see so many things. We just go and press here, then we will see what is visible there. Nothing, there is nothing visible, just walls and our floor. So we don't need this elevation. What I will do, for the better visibility, I will take that elevation to this side. Here we have, I will rotate it. Let me just delete it and I will take a new one. Okay, now it's fine. Now here you will see, yes, this is what happening there. Fine, there is a slightly off axis, that's fine. So elevation 1A we got. Now what I will do, this I'm going to delete, that is east. I don't want to see normal elevations. Okay, I just want to see what the elevation I just placed, that is elevation 1A. Now what I will do, I will take elevation 1A and just keep here. Okay, for this particular elevation I am going to decrease this. Okay, just like that, elevation 1A. Okay, we can drag this up to here, we can see the levels there. After that, let's take any section. So for section, what I will do, let's take a section and place it in the level 1 and just drag it up to here only, and we can just go to that section Why nothing is visible? Let's go to model categories. Check all, but still nothing is visible. Let me just go to there and do it. Still there is nothing visible. Section. So we checked in the model categories also, but it's not visible. Annotation. Let me just do it for this. Yes, now it's visible. Okay, I think this is fine for us. Okay, just don't technically, I'm just showing you how to do it. That's it. Okay, in general we can do it more and more, much better. Deactivate and just place here, just like that. Yes, let's delete the hide that crop visible. That's it. Now we are done with this. Let's try to adjust this just to be inside, just inside. Yeah, done. This we can just keep that. And just control it. Okay, no problem, just leave it is. Hope now you know how to create the sheet and how to place the views. You may look into this particular data and you can fill accordingly. I hope this is fine for today. Just we come to know how to get the views and how to place the views in the sheet. Thank you.